How many times did you just sneeze? Gesundheit.
About 6.
How many times did you sneeze?
About 6.
Just now?
Yeah.
You gonna sneeze any more?
I don't know.
Let me see your eyeballs.
Do you have it filming?
Yep.
The One Hugging Thing, Part 2, Act 1, and Action.
Alrighty, thank you, Mr. D. Part 2. Mr. D, you just sneezed about 6 times. Come into the view, please.
Yes, sir. And that's all for headline. Headline news back there.
Mr. D, come on over here. Tell me, Mr. D, since you're a headline news reporter, what is today's date?
August 4th,
What year is this?
2002.
And what day is today?
August 4th.
Not the date, the day.
Oh, that's a Sunday.
The Sunday, what did we do today?
A bunch of things.
Yep, what did we do today?
Downloaded movies.
Come on over here.
Downloaded movies, rode through a couple towns on the Gunpowder Trail.
With what?
Bikes.
Bikes, you like your new bike?
Yes, I do. Mr. D.
Mr. D, Mr. Dad, and Mr. Derric. Tell me another story.
Well, we went to this one bike shop and the bike rack. Well, we got a refund for it because it wouldn't work on.
Wasn't that cool when that frog ate that worm?
Oh yeah, the frog ate the worm, and that was one neat thing at the Sparks Nature Center that opened just today. Well, we were on the Gunpowder Trail. We stopped in the town of Sparks to rest.
So would you like your mom to see this farm where you've been staying at every other weekend with me?
Yeah,
Yeah, has she ever seen it?
except at nighttime.
How many times has your mom come up here to see this farm?
Not often.
Well, how many times has she been here to pick you up?
Once.
One time. It was pretty late when she came, wasn't it?
Yeah,
What time was it about?
about 10 o'clock
10 o'clock p.m.?
p.m.
I had to wake you up, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
You were sound asleep when your mom came up, huh?
Yeah.
Did you ask her if she wanted to take a look at the place?
Actually, yeah.
And what did she say?
I don't remember. I was tired. I was too tired to remember.
Yeah. Did you fall asleep on the way home?
Mm-hmm.
Did your little sisters fall asleep on the way home?
Yeah.
Was your little baby sister with you too?
Yep.
Did she fall asleep?
No, she was keeping us up half the way. And then eventually she fell asleep.
She did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was crying half the way to my mom's.
She was?
Yep.
Probably because she had to sit in that car seat so long, huh?
Yeah, they said they were driving for 2 hours on the road.
I know. Doesn't that stink, huh, when you have to drive all that way? I drive all that way for you.
4 times every weekend.
How many miles is that?
That's about 320 miles.
You ever hear me complain about picking you up, though?
Nope.
Why do I like to pick you up so much?
Wait.
Huh?
I've heard you complain about picking me up before.
Well, yeah.
Oh, I mean, complaining about my mom not picking me up ever.
Right, but I pick you up all the time, don't I?
Yes, you
And
do.
how long have I been doing that now?
Quite a few years, Mr. D.
Ever since we've been in Maryland, huh?
That's exactly right, Mr. D.
And when I took you to your mom's house in Maryland, how did you get to your mom's house in Maryland when you were living in Buffalo?
By my mom?
We picked you up and drove you here back and forth most of the time to Maryland.
You?
That's right. Remember that time when Andy went with us? Remember? You don't remember when you and Andy were watching The Martians?
What Martians?
When we were going through the hills, I said, "Duck! There's a Martian up there in the clouds." Remember the spaceship and you guys were ducking in the back seat? You don't remember when Andy came with me that one time? You must have been only that big.
Though I know that I could probably understand him talking.
Oh, Andy?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
He could probably understand me.
You guys played for a long time together, for years.
Yeah. He could probably understand me ever since I was a baby.
Okay, Mr. D, are we all done with take 2?
Yes, we are. It's
Anything-
not take 2, it's part 2.
Anything you want to say in part 2 now that we're making a movie here?